Hey there, rockstar! Let's talk about something super important for your business. It's 2025, and the way customers find you has totally changed. You need to show up where people are looking. They're searching on Google for businesses. Local SEO is your ticket to getting found by the right people. Make sure your business pops up when locals search for what you offer. Imagine someone nearby needs exactly what you sell. You want your business to be at the top of those search results, right? Without local SEO, you're invisible to potential customers. Your competitors are likely already using local SEO to attract customers. Think of your online presence as your digital storefront. It's just as important, if not more so, than your physical one. When someone searches locally, Google shows them a map pack, reviews, and your business information. This is prime real estate. Ensure your Google business profile is complete, accurate, and engaging. It tells Google and your customers who you are, what you do, and where you are. Is your business name, address, and phone number consistent everywhere online? This consistency builds trust and helps Google verify your business. Are your business categories accurate? Use photos and videos to showcase your products and services. Actively encourage and respond to customer reviews. Effective local SEO translates into real-world results. Create a seamless journey for your local customer, from search to loyalty. All right, let's look ahead. The world of SEO is always evolving, and local SEO is no exception. Staying on top of the trends for 2025 is key to keeping your business visible and competitive. One major trend is Google's increasing emphasis on user experience. This means your website needs to be fast, easy to navigate, and provide valuable content. Google wants to send users to businesses that offer a great experience, both online and offline. Another big trend is the continued importance of EEAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. For local businesses, this means showcasing your local expertise and building trust within your community. How can you do this? Through detailed service pages, blog posts about local events or topics, customer testimonials, and case studies. Highlighting your involvement in the local community can also boost your EEAT signals. Hyper-local targeting is also becoming more refined. This means going beyond just your city or town and focusing on specific neighborhoods or even streets. Tools and strategies are emerging that allow for more granular local optimization. Finally, sustainability and ethical practices are becoming more visible in local search. Consumers increasingly care about supporting businesses that align with their values. Being a good local citizen is good for business. Get ready for a tech transformation in local search. Artificial intelligence, AI, is playing a much bigger role in how Google understands and ranks local businesses. AI algorithms are getting smarter at interpreting searcher intent, even for complex or conversational queries. This means the old ways of just stuffing keywords won't cut it. Instead, focus on providing comprehensive, helpful content that genuinely answers your customers' questions. Think about the entire customer journey and the information they need at each stage. AI helps Google connect your great content with the right local searcher. And then there's voice search. Hey Google, find a plumber near me. Siri, where's the closest Italian restaurant? More and more people are using voice assistants on their phones, smart speakers, and even in their cars to find local information. Optimizing for voice search is crucial in 2025. AI is also powering more personalized search results. Adapting to these changes is essential for staying visible. Section 5. Why a pro makes all the difference, the expert edge in local SEO. Now you might be thinking, can I just do this local SEO stuff myself? And while there are definitely things you do, hiring the right local SEO expert can be a total game changer for your business. Think about it, you're an expert in what do running your amazing business. A local SEO expert is an expert in getting you found online. They live and breathe this stuff. They understand the complex algorithms, the latest trends we just talked about, and the technical details that can make or break your rankings. A true expert brings a strategic approach. They don't just sprinkle a few keywords here and there. They conduct in-depth audits of your current online presence. They research your competitors to see what they're doing right and wrong. They develop a customized strategy tailored to your specific business, your local market, and your goals. This level of strategic thinking and detailed analysis is often beyond what a busy business owner can manage on their own. Furthermore, local SEO isn't a set it and forget it kind of thing. It requires ongoing monitoring, analysis, and adjustments. Your time is valuable. Outsourcing your local SEO to a qualified expert frees you up to focus on what you do best, serving your customers and growing your core business. Section 6. Spotting your SEO champion must have qualities in an expert. So, you're convinced an expert is the way to go. Awesome. But how do you find the right one? Not all SEO providers are created equal. Your SEO champion will have a few key qualities. First, look for transparency. A good expert will be open and honest about their methods, their pricing, and what they can realistically achieve for you. They should be able to explain their strategy in a way you understand, without hiding behind a wall of technical jargon. Experience specifically in local SEO is crucial. General SEO is different from local SEO. Your chosen expert should have a proven track record of helping local businesses like yours succeed in their specific geographic areas. Ask for case studies or examples of local businesses they've worked with. Communication is another huge factor. You want an expert who is responsive, proactive, and keeps you informed. Regular updates and clear reporting are signs of a professional who values your business and their role in its growth. Section 7. Warning signs: how to dodge local SEO duds and scams. Just as there are amazing SEO experts, there are also, unfortunately, those who might not deliver or could even harm your online presence. It's super important to know the warning signs so you can dodge these SEO duds. One major red flag is anyone guaranteeing #1 rankings on Google. Nobody can truly guarantee a specific ranking, especially not a top spot, because Google's algorithm is complex and constantly changing. Be wary of experts who are secretive about their methods or use proprietary techniques they can't explain. True SEO professionals are usually happy to discuss their strategies. Another warning sign is a lack of focus on your specific business and goals. A one-size-fits-all approach to local SEO rarely works. Section 8. Your action plan: smart steps to hiring the right local SEO partner. Okay, you're armed with knowledge about what to look for and what to avoid. Now let's talk action. How do you actually go about hiring the right local SEO partner for your business in 2025? First, clearly define your goals. What do you want to achieve with local SEO? Is it more foot traffic, more phone calls, better online visibility in a specific service area? Knowing your objectives will help you communicate your needs effectively to potential experts and evaluate whether they are a good fit to help you reach those targets. Next, do your research and create a short list of potential experts or agencies. Ask for referrals from other local business owners you trust. Search online for local SEO expert your city and see who ranks well. Check out their websites, read their case studies, and look at their client testimonials. Once you have a short list, it's time to reach out and schedule consultations. Prepare a list of questions to ask each candidate. Ask about their experience with businesses like yours, their approach to local SEO, their reporting methods, and their pricing structure. Trust your gut feeling too. You want to work with someone you connect with and feel confident in. Section 9. Time to shine. Boost your local rank and watch your business boom. So there you have it. Local SEO in 2025 is not just a nice to have, it's an absolute must for any business looking to connect with customers in their community. From understanding the ever-evolving trends like AI and voice search, to recognizing the immense value a skilled expert brings, you're now equipped to make smart decisions. Investing in local SEO is investing in the visibility, growth, and long-term success of your business. It's about making sure that when local customers are looking, your business is the one they find, choose, and love. Imagine your phone ringing more often with qualified leads. Picture more customers walking through your door, excited to experience what you offer. Envision your business becoming a well-known, trusted name in your local area. This is all possible with a strong local SEO strategy, spearheaded by the right expert. The digital landscape is competitive, but with the right approach, you can absolutely stand out and thrive. Don't let your competitors steal the local spotlight. It's your time to shine. By prioritizing local SEO and partnering with a knowledgeable professional, you can significantly boost your rankings on Google, attract more local customers, and see a real impact on your bottom line. Go for it. Your business deserves to be seen.